In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a way that you can fast track the process of getting a job and relocating to Ireland without visa sponsorship. This has worked for many people, and recently I was speaking to a colleague that lived in Ireland, and she was sharing with me a lot of beautiful things about Ireland, how you don't pay for so many things, how you can actually even get a permanent residency in Ireland within 2 years. So if you get a contract that is 2 years or more, after 2 years you can even decide to go along and work with another agency and work with another employer, even change career if you prefer, which is so many of all those benefits that comes when you get a permanent residency in any country. Really interesting. I'm going to share everything with you in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Okay, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Linda Eze. I'm a registered nurse. I lived in UK for approximately 4 years, and then I moved to the US. In this channel, I share information about nursing abroad, getting jobs abroad, remote job opportunities worldwide. So if you're interested in any of those, be sure to subscribe and always come back, because I believe you will find the information I share here very useful. A lot of countries, a lot of European countries are opening their doors to foreigners because of the shortage in their country, and they are looking to move their country forward with the special skills and talents from all over the world. Ireland is one of those countries that if you search online, you notice that they have a lot of job openings. The number of jobs that they post every day in Ireland job market is so much that they are looking for foreigners from all over the world to come and fill those vacancies. So they have the general shortage occupation list, and they also have the critical skills shortage occupation list. Okay, so it is the critical shortage occupation list I want to talk to you about in this video, and make sure you don't run away from here, because a lot of people have heard about this, but I believe that you may also be interested in how you can make this critical skills occupation list actually work for you. So the Ireland critical shortage occupation list actually lists those occupations that they are in dire need of. So you can do this in short steps. The first one is that make sure that your job is in the critical skills shortage occupation list for Ireland. So once you know that your skill is the healthcare, IT, engineering, and some other jobs that are posted in that list, I'm going to make another video where we'll go through these lists together, and we'll see the jobs that can actually apply for this critical skills employment permit. So once your job is there, your experience or your expertise, once you are in the field that is listed in that list, the second one is to look for job. Now, looking for job you have to follow these tips that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So when you're looking for a job, you make sure that you tell your employer that you do not need visa sponsorship. This will make the whole thing very easy for you. They will even look at you, so that so many of those agencies, so many of those companies that are running away from the legal responsibilities of applying for your own work permit and all of that, for applying for work permits for their employees and all of that, all those things will be reduced. So once you tell them that you don't need visa sponsorship, and that you include that in your CV, you include that in your cover letter and all of that, once you are applying for jobs that you are qualified for, and you mention that, it will give you a higher chance of getting an interview and getting selected. So the third one is that once you get an offer, then you can go ahead and apply for your critical skills employment permit. So this critical skills employment permit is not actually that you must be the one to apply for it. Your employer can do that, and you can do that as well. So the reason why I'm sharing this video is to share with you the other method, and that is you applying for your own work permit. If you are relying on searching for only companies that are going to sponsor your visa, then it is more challenging, because a lot of people are looking for that same one. But if you are looking for any company at all that will be able to recruit you based on the fact that you are in that critical skills and you have what it takes, the qualification and everything, then this second method is for you. Just tell them you don't need visa sponsorship, and once they have given you the offer, then you go ahead and apply for this critical skills short employment permit. So guys, this is really cool. I heard it from someone, I made my research, found that people are using this method. So what happens is that once you say you don't need visa sponsorship in your CV and your cover letter, when you apply for jobs and you say where you're applying from, and they say, oh, we are not accepting applicants from your country, you can send them an email and say, I don't need visa sponsorship for this job. If I'm qualified, please go ahead and offer me the role. I'll be able to apply for my own work permit. You can even cite them examples that this occupation is listed in the shortage occupation list. Remember that some of these recruiters, they are not versed in immigration, and that is why sometimes they shy away from international recruitment. So you can be the one to provide that information for them. Tell them that if they believe that your skills is needed in their company and they are willing to recruit you, that you are able to apply for your own work permit. Tell them that you send them the link, tell them that you are able to apply, that you also have that capacity to apply for your work permit and you are responsible for that. It will increase your chances greatly. I'm telling you, it will increase your chances. It will help to filter the competition and put you in the game. Guys, this works, and I believe that it will work for you. So if you have the money to apply for this work permit by yourself, and you know that you are in that shortage occupation list, and you go ahead and look for jobs in that area, and make sure that you make you prove your case. You actually tell them what you can do, and that you are responsible for your own visa. It will work for you. So where you can start your job search today is called jobs.ie. So this jobs.ie, one of the island official website for jobs. So it's like a job bank where you can look for jobs. So you just make sure that you're looking for jobs in your area of expertise, and once you get an offer, then you go ahead and apply for your own work permit and follow all the guidelines to getting your residence permit in Ireland and all of that. So guys, as a recap, what you need to do is that make sure that your occupation is listed in the critical skill shortage occupation list for Ireland. The second one is to look for jobs. You can start by looking for jobs in jobs.ie. I will post more websites and agencies later. And the third one is that to apply for your own work permit. These things are very simple and can also be complicated if you make it so. It can be simple for you if you just go ahead and apply this strategy, and it can be complicated for you when you start doubting and saying, oh, this thing does not work and all of that. But if you are really interested in moving to Ireland, I really wish you all the very best. I hope to hear your feedback in the comment section. I hope to hear your testimonies if this works for you, and I'll come back for us to talk about the shortage occupation list in details in my next video. Depending on when you are watching this video, it's possible I have posted that video as well. So go ahead and check out the shortage occupation list, the occupations that are in that list, and how you can make it work for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and subscribe, like this video so that more people will see it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.